Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to discuss about NEET and KCET level coaching part from the chapter Strategies for Enhancement in Food Production, subtopic Plant Breeding. Now let's enter into today's session. First question: find out irrelevant disease from the given. Option A: brown rust of wheat. Option B: red rot of sugarcane. Option C: late blight of potato. Option D: black rot of crucifix. Students, in this given four options, we need to identify the correct answer and we need to identify irrelevant disease. Let us see which option is irrelevant, which three are as a one group. The correct answer for this question is option D, black rot of crucifix. Why it is irrelevant? Let us see remaining ABC options. Let me explain this question in details. And here, some of the diseases caused by fungi are rusts. Okay? Example, brown rust of wheat, red rot of sugarcane, late blight of potato. All these diseases are called as rust diseases caused by fungi. And the fourth option, black rot of crucifix, it is caused by bacteria. So it is one irrelevant or odd one compared with the ABC options. So the correct answer for the irrelevant disease is nothing but option D, black rot of crucifix caused by bacteria. This is very important concept. Hope you understood explanation of this question. Now moving to second question. Brown rust in plants caused by. Just now we had a discussion. Let us see in detail regarding this question. Option A, fungi. Option B, virus. Option C, bacteria. Option D, protozoans. Brown rust of wheat is caused by option A, fungi. Understand, this is a kind of rust disease. Brown colored spots can be seen on the surface of the leaf caused by fungi. Then what are the other examples for rust diseases? Red rot of sugarcane and late blight of potato along with brown rot of wheat. All these are caused by fungi. Those are fungal diseases and also called as rust diseases. So the correct answer for this question is option A, fungi. Understood? Now coming to third question. Viruses causes mosaic disease in the following crop. We need to identify the correct crop where we can find mosaic disease. Option A, potato. Option B, tobacco. Option C, turnip. And option D, both B and C. Students, viruses causes many diseases in plants. Example, tobacco mosaic virus, shortly called as TMV. In first PC we had a discussion regarding this one. Even structure also we had a discussion. So tobacco crop, one answer. Next, turnip mosaic virus, shortly called as TMV. Here also this is called as TMV, turnip mosaic disease. So both B and C options are correct. They are included under option D. Understand? So viruses causes mosaic disease in the following crop, which is that tobacco and as well as turnip. So correct option is option D. Students, now moving to fourth question. Bacteria causes the following disease. Option A, white rot of crucifix, black rot of crucifix, brown rot in sugarcane, and black rot in rice. Identify the correct option. The correct option is option B, black rot of crucifers. So black rot is caused by bacteria. Actually, as we learn already this one, black rot is caused by bacteria, and on the surface of the crucifers leaves, black color provided is surface along with the spots can be identified very easily because of this bacteria. Hope you understood explanation. Correct answer is option B. Now matching type. This is very important way of asking. This concept is also very important for competitive examinations. In many NEET and KCET examinations, they ask different questions from the same concept. Now let us see matching. Column 1 and column 2 we have to match. In column 1 crop is there, in column 2 variety is there. So this table is there in NCERT textbook, table number 9.1, very important table. So everybody should read this table very carefully. Now let us see column 1. In column 1A, wheat. Wheat is matching with the variety. It is nothing but Himagiri. So wheat variety name is Himagiri. Understand? So A is matching with the Roman number 3. Understand? Next, B, Brassica. Brassica variety is here Pusa swarnium. So B is matching with the Roman number 1. Next, cowpea. Cowpea variety name is here Pusa komal. So C is matching with Roman number 2. Next, chili. Chili variety name is here Pusa Sadabahar. So here D is matching with Roman number 5. Next, cauliflower. Cauliflower variety name is here Pusa Subra. So E is matching with Roman number 4. So the correct option for this matching is here option B. Option B, it is nothing but A with Roman number 3, B with Roman number 1, C with Roman number 2, D with Roman number 5, E with Roman number 4. Hope you understood this explanation. So these are all different varieties produced by hybridization and selection for disease resistance to fungi, bacteria and viral diseases. Understand? So very important concept, please remember it. So students, moving to next question, 6th question. This is also matching type question. Column 1 and column 2, we should match column 1 with column 2. In column 1, here resistance to diseases. In column 2, variety name. So now let us match column 1 and column 2. In column 1, resistance to diseases. Leaf and stripe rust, it's a disease. Resistant to this disease, the variety is here. The most commonly known one is, it is nothing but Himagiri. It's a wheat variety. Understood? As we learn in above question. So age matching with 3, Roman number 3. Next, white rust disease. So resistance to this white rust disease variety is here. It is nothing but a commonly known one, Pusa swarnium. Pusa swarnium. Pusa swarnium is a Brassica variety. Understood? Next, C, black rot. Black rot disease is resistance to this following variety. The variety is nothing but here commonly known as and even called as cauliflower. Scientific name is Pusa subra. Pusa subra. So it's nothing but C is matching with the Roman number 4. It's a one of the cauliflower variety name. Next, option D, bacterial blight. Bacterial blight is matching with a variety Pusa komal. Pusa komal. So to the bacterial blight disease resistance to one variety, it is nothing but Pusa Komal. A common crop is cowpea. Next, so D is matching with 5. Next, last one E, chili mosaic virus, CMV. Resistance to this variety, the crop is here commonly called with Pusa Sadabahar. So E is matching with 2, Roman number 2. So it's a chili variety. Understood? So the correct option for this question is option B. It is nothing but A is matching with 3, Roman number 3, B is matching with Roman number 1, C is matching with Roman number 4, D is matching with Roman number 5, E is matching with Roman number 1. So students, this table is also from 9.1 NCERT textbook. Very important concept. So my request to you all is, please read the table, if not by heart the table. Try to understand, if not try to by heart it. Such important table it is. Next, 7th question. Find out which is not correct about mutation. Students, we need to identify a false statement from the ABCD options. Now let us see one by one. Option A, genetic variations are created through changes in the base sequence within genes. Option B, it resulting in the creation of a new character or trait not found in the parental type. Next, option C, it is possible to induce mutations artificially through use of chemicals. Option D, alpha radiations helps to treat mutations. So the false statement is option D, alpha radiations helps to treat mutations. It is absolutely wrong. Then which radiations helps to treat mutations? Nothing but gamma radiations. Understood? Very important concept for competitive examinations. ABC statements or ABC options are absolutely right. So in the question they asked us to choose not correct or false statement. So the false statement is option D, alpha radiations helps in treating mutations. Then what is the correct statement or option? Gamma radiations helps to treat the mutations. In many hospitals, radiologists and doctors are using these gamma radiations or rays to treat the even cancer. Might be you know about it. Hope you understood explanation for this question, students. Now moving to 8th question. Selecting and using the plants that have desirable character as a source in breeding is called as option A, mutation, option B, mutation breeding, option C, conventional breeding, option D, all the above. The correct answer for this question is option B, mutation breeding. What is meant by mutation breeding? Let us see definition for mutation breeding. It is also important for PU board examinations. So here, selecting and using of plants that have the desirable characteristics as a source of plant breeding program, as we learned in previous class. This process is called as mutation breeding. For example, in mung bean, resistance to yellow mosaic virus and powdery mildew were induced by mutations only. Understand? So correct answer is mutation breeding, option B. Have you understood? Okay, thank you. Now next question. Resistance to yellow mosaic virus can be noticed in this crop. Option A, rice, option B, wheat, option C, jowar, option D, mung bean. So the correct answer for this question is option D, mung bean. So here I would like to give you one short explanation for this. It is nothing but selection and using of plants is very important for plant breeding program, for giving huge yield. That too, those plants should have desirable characteristics. So this process is called mutation breeding. In mung bean, resistance to yellow mosaic virus and powdery mildew were induced by this mutation breeding only. So yellow mosaic virus can be noticed in mung bean, option D. Understood ma? Now 10th question. Name the resistance to yellow mosaic virus in Bendi was transferred from a wild species and resulted a new variety. Option A, Abelmusculus esculentus. Option B, Parbani Kranti. Option C, Pusa Komal. Option D, Pusa Sada Bahar. So the correct answer for this question is Parbani Kranti, option B. Why it is correct answer? You know, resistance to yellow mosaic virus in Bendi, scientific name Abelmusculus esculentus. So yellow mosaic virus in Bendi was transferred from a wild species and resulted in a new variety of Abelmusculus esculentus. The new variety is called as Parbani Kranti. Understand? Very important concept for NEET examination. In previous exam they asked this question. Next, 11th question. Identify the mismatch from ABCD options. Let us see one by one in detail. Option A, Abelmusculus esculentus, cowpea. Next, flat bean, Pusa sem2 and Pusa sem3. Next, okra, Pusa savani and Pusa a4. Next, option D, brassica, and it is nothing but Pusa gaurav. So the mismatch is option A, Abelmusculus esculentus. So it is a scientific name for Bendi or Vokra, not for cowpea. They asked us to identify the mismatch na. So the mismatch is option A, Abelmusculus esculentus, cowpea. So in the place of cowpea, okra or Bendi must be present because scientific name of okra or Bendi is Abelmusculus esculentus. Understood ma? Next, 12th question. Matching type. We have to match column 1 with column 2. Let us see column 1. Pusa gaurav. Pusa gaurav is matching with option 4. It is nothing but aphids. Understood? So Pusa gaurav variety resistance to aphids. Next, B, Pusa sem3. Pusa sem3 variety is resistance to jerseeds, nothing but B is matching with the 5. Next, Pusa savani. Pusa savani variety is resistance to shoot and fruit borers. Next, hidden hunger. 840 million people are there in the whole world, ones who are not having adequate food to meet their daily food, and nutritional requirements are less, causing deficiency diseases. Those deficiency diseases are called as hidden hunger, which are exclusively meant for protein and vitamin deficiencies. How many members? 840 members. 840 million people, sorry. Next, hairy leaves. Hairy leaves characteristic can be resistance to insect pests. So hairy leaves in several plants are associated with the resistance to insect pests. So E is matching with the Roman number 3. Understand? So the correct matching for this question is B. It is nothing but A4 and B, Pusa sem3, B with the 5, Pusa savani, C with Pusa savani is insect pests resistance to shoot and fruit borer, nothing but C with Roman number 1, hidden hunger with Roman number 2, hairy leaves with Roman number 3. So the correct answer for this question is option B. Next, 13th one. Insect resistance in host crop plants may be due to characteristics of option A morphological, option B biochemical, option C physiological, option D all the above. So correct answer is option D all the above. Insect resistance in host crop plants may be due to the characteristics of morphological, biochemical or physiological. Understand? So correct option is option D. Next 14th question. High aspartic acid and low nitrogen and sugar content leads to resistance to stem borers disease in this crop. Which is that crop? Let us see options. Option A jowar, option B wheat, option C rice, option D maize. So the correct answer for this question is option D maize. So high aspartic acid and low sugar and nitrogen content leads to resistance to stem borers in maize crop. Understand? Those are called as even maize stem borers. Please make note, this is very important for competitive examinations. Next, last question in this session. Hairy leaves in several plants are associated with resistance to insect pests in this crop. Let us see which crop it is. Option A resistance to jesuits in cotton. Option B cereal leaf beetle in wheat. Option C maize and stem borers. Option D both A and B. So the correct option is option D both A and B. Hairy leaves in several plants are associated with resistance to insect pests. Understand what are those? In resistance to jesuits in cotton. First example. Second one cereal leaf beetle in wheat. Both are example for this characteristic. Hairy leaves in several plants are associated with resistance to insect pests. So the correct answer for this question is option D both A and B. Understood, students? So I conclude this session with this. Hope you understood. We will continue the next concept in the next class. Thank you one and all.